Welcome to 6th Street, a modern apartment-style residence hall right on Cooper Square. 6th Street puts you in the heart of the East Village. 2 blocks from St. Mark's Place and only a 10-minute walk from Washington Square. Visit the Great Art Museum or Astor Place, both just steps away. 6th Street is conveniently located near other NYU spaces and shares programs and staff with neighboring residence hall 7th Street. When it comes to living arrangements, 6th Street offers 2- and 3-bedroom apartments across 12 floors. Each apartment has its own bathroom and kitchenette. The laundry room is located on the lower level. Also on the lower level, you'll find a variety of amenities, including a large lounge, a study room, and a bike room. Meet up with friends at the closest dining location, NYU Eats at 3rd North, located on East 11th Street. If you would like to be a part of a vibrant community in an amazing location, we think you'll want to call 6th Street home.